All right, brand new grill, same old snake method. Let's talk about it. So I have the 26-inch Weber Kettle going, and check that out, 236 degrees on the snake method. Now, we got a brisket flat in there we're going to look at. So top vents halfway open, and the bottom vents are right there on the second opening. Now, I did have to do a little addition to the snake method, and you guys can check that playlist below because we are starting a whole new playlist for the 26. So I did make a previous video showing you guys how we had to set it up. Look at that. Hey, it's not too bad, not too bad. So probably about 30 or 40 degrees off, but still good because we got this right here. So now I kind of have an understanding of what the top is saying versus what this one is saying right down here below. But let's look at the meat. Sneak peek. This is for pastrami. Getting some smoke on it. Oh, baby. We got the fat down. Look at that thing. Make sure you check out the previous video, how we brine this thing. Can't wait to slice into this. Snake method. Any Weber kettle. Let's go.